This is a start page in Filmora 13. The first thing I want to do to select the aspect of the video, I'm going to select 16 by 9. And you can select different aspect for your project, and we want to click this shape to create new project. If you want the media in direct way from your PC. Now there is two ways to importing. First way, you can click here and select the video. But the second way, you're dropping your video. I will go to the folder. I go to the folder. There is a video and dropping the video. There is the global media. They make what your video not go if you open more project. For example, I want this video not go. I will deleting this and dropping this video and close the Filmora. And I will closing all Filmora and I will back. Open a new project. And now we're opening a new project. If you go to the global media, there it is. But if you're deleting this in your global, in your PC, the video was gone. But if you want the video not gone forever, you will go here, cloud media. The video was cloud in your account and there 112 megabyte for free account. There is two folder and the not important right now, it's just so. If you want, you will click here the folder main. This your favorite downloading. This your favorite downloading, and this is your downloading by internet. The partner is online website. The library is by Filmora. Filmora, this is this video by Filmora, and you can downloading and using in your video. But the partners is by website, and you can use it and downloading. There is 4 websites. You can using any website by this 4 website and downloading and go ahead here.